This is me when I visited Mars. This is how long you can survive in each of the planets. Mercury. You can last only 2 minutes in Mercury. This is because this is a planet of extremes. The side facing the sun is extremely hot and the side away from the sun is extremely cold. So if you land on Mercury, you would instantly freeze or you instantly turn into a carbon brick. Venus. You can only survive in Venus for 1 second. Venus is like an extremely heated oven. And if you land in Venus without a proper face suit, you will quickly melt up or even turn to dust before even landing. This is me when I visited the sun with an invisible protective space gear. Mars. You have only 2 minutes to survive in Mars. Mars is like a very cold desert with little to no atmosphere of gravity. If you land on Mars, all your body fluid like mucus, saliva, and blood would dry up, leaving your body all empty and dried up. Jupiter is the largest planet and you have less than a second to survive in Jupiter. There's nothing to land on in Jupiter because Jupiter is like a ball of highly pressurized gas or emptiness. If you land on Jupiter without the proper spacesuit, you're going to find yourself in an emptiness filled with highly pressurized gas. Saturn. You can survive in Saturn for up to 30 seconds. The rings of Saturn are like droplets of frozen water. So if you land in Saturn without the proper protective gear, you're going to instantly turn into ice. Uranus. You have less than 30 seconds to survive in Uranus. This is because Uranus is extremely cold and windy. It is like an ice giant. And so any living organism that lands in Uranus would freeze instantly. Neptune. Neptune is the windiest planet and you cannot survive in Neptune for up to 1 second. Neptune is also like an ice giant, but with extremely fierce wind that will shred up a human being in less than 1 second. So there's no way you can survive in Neptune for up to 1 second. Pluto. Pluto is no longer a planet, but when it was a planet, you could only survive there for less than a second. Pluto has a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and 1 second would be a lot to survive in Pluto.